This is On2cook, the next generation healthy smart cooking device. Cooking is an important part of our life. Conventional cooking and microwaving are two major cooking methods globally. Both have their own identities and advantages. While conventional may result in crispy, tasty, and brownish food, microwaving is faster, healthier, and energy efficient. Our invention is a cooking device that combines the best of these two cooking methods. Where the induction or flame cooks from the bottom and microwaves cook from the top. This innovative cooking device can be integrated with any conventional flame cooking or curved induction system. The accompanying app allows you to choose recipes prepared by some of the best chefs in the world and order vegetables and other ingredients accordingly. You can do all the preparations with visual step-by-step help. Customize your recipe to your flavor and start cooking with the right combination of flame and microwaves automatically defined by the product, and share your recipes with confidence. This patented cooking technology makes it healthier, faster, and efficient than any other modes of cooking. The flame or induction cooks the food from outside, makes it brown, crispier, and tastier. Microwaves simultaneously start cooking the food from the inside, right from the bone. This allows the food to retain its texture, color, and water-soluble nutrients, as the food never overcooked due to boiling. It also cooks it much faster than any other possible way, saving almost 70% of cooking time. Along with microwave, we can also add grill and convection sources to boost the cooking process. This journey started in 2013. In the first two iterations, we tried the magnetron right on the top, and we realized that the heat going directly into the magnetron was affecting the stability of the product. The third generation prototype has been tried and tested by chefs from UK, US, and India, and they've been very impressed. We cooked rice in about 5 minutes, vegetables in about 6 minutes, chicken in about 14 minutes, fish in about 2 minutes, cereals in 5 to 6 minutes, and lamb in 15 minutes. Welcome to a healthier and faster way of cooking.